I want to talk a little bit about the inspiration, and Everyday Health was amazing this year. They came to us expressing interest in bringing innovation to the forefront and really recognizing it. So not just like, them going out to create something, but them actually recognizing it and honoring it. And that meant a lot to me for someone who tries to do that in everything that I do. So so we were lucky. Match made in heaven. So Everyday Health is here to announce the first ever Awards for Innovation. And I want to introduce Paul Slavin, their Chief Operating Officer, who is here to be the Master of Ceremonies.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming. It's incredibly appropriate that we're offering these awards to these terrific companies at CES. I've spent the last couple days walking the floor, or at least bumping through crowds on the floor, looking at some really startlingly innovative products. Everything from self-parking cars to refrigerators that'll talk to you about the bad food that you have in it, to curved TVs. And I was mentioning to someone that all I wanted to do with a curved TV was push it flat. They look great, but it's very disconcerting to see a curved TV. That's my problem. So anyway, we're really glad you could join us for the first ever Everyday Health Awards for Innovation. These awards honor outstanding achievement for consumer technology innovation designed to improve health outcomes. And improving health outcomes is what we are all about at Everyday Health, and is what many of the people here are all about, whether it's not self-parking automobiles, but all of the things that we've seen here are terrific examples of entrepreneurs and innovators and companies getting together to find a way to make people lead healthier, happier lives in a less expensive manner. And that's terrific. We at Everyday Health sit at the epicenter of digital health. We speak to 40 million users monthly, and innovation is one of our defining values. I'm relatively recent to the company, and I was pleased to spend time with it and understand how important innovation is and how entrepreneurial this company is. And while we don't make hardware, we make software. We make products. We make functionality for consumers. We create great editorial. So this really is at the heart of what it is that we do. We initiated the Everyday Health Awards to shine a light on innovative companies and people that are changing the future of healthcare. The convergence between technology and health marks a watershed moment. The products and companies you'll see today are part of a healthcare revolution. Now, this is a revolution which has been going on for a long time, but it's usually been restricted to professionals. It's not something that consumers have an opportunity to take part in. I remember as a kid, the first time I saw a thermometer that wasn't filled with mercury, which, given the way the thermometer was used, was really exciting to me. Outside of that, the only thing that was innovative when I was a kid was the Princess telephone. To kick things off, we thought we'd take a look back at some, I'm supposed to be changing the slides too, sorry. We'd take a look at some notable health innovations that have changed our lives forever.
The stethoscope is still one of the most important tools in the doctor's bag, and we can thank a French inventor for it. He came up with the idea in 1816. It's just one in a long list of innovations that allow us to live longer, healthier lives today than at any other time in history. Like ether, once a patient could be put under, surgery could develop into the careful science it is today.
Doctors recommend aspirin to reduce fever and make you feel better fast.
Aspirin, the wonder drug. Physicians knew about its healing properties for centuries. They got it from willow bark. But it wasn't until 1899 that an inventor put it in a pill. It's still the most widely used medicine in the world. The ready-made bandage. Earl Dixon invented the Band-Aid for his wife, who was injury-prone. He was rewarded with a big promotion at Johnson & Johnson.
Alka-Seltzer neutralizes all the acid your stomach has churned out. For your upset stomach and headache, take Alka-Seltzer and feel better fast.
Alka-Seltzer was invented just as Prohibition was ending, curing countless hangovers. The idea we could save and store blood in banks came along in time for World War II, saving untold numbers of lives. The child-proof cap. It's a simple idea that frustrates adults, but saves lives. And Dolly the sheep, remember her? She launched us into the world of cloning, and maybe one day, a whole new kind of medicine. If you're over 50, or plan to be, you can thank these and other innovators. It wasn't until the 20th century that the average human lifespan reached 50. And by the middle of this century, it's estimated there will be 1 million Americans over 100. So what will healthcare be like then? That's up to the innovators working now in big companies and in small kitchens. We're honoring some of them today with the Everyday Health Awards for Innovation. Congratulations to all the finalists, and good luck.
The point of that video was to show you that there has been a lot of innovation, and a lot of innovation over the years. And innovation continues, and it continues today. And innovation in itself, as I've mentioned, isn't anything new, but we're living in a time of incredible possibility. We're living in a time when our healthcare needs are greater than ever, so putting these two things together is terrific. So many of our biggest health problems, heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers, have a behavioral component. Despite all our medical advances, we need effective, consumer-friendly products and systems that help people make better choices and manage their ongoing health conditions, which brings us to the awards. These are the judges. I'd like to recognize each of the judges because they came and they've helped us pick these prizes. Chuck Parker is Executive Director of Continua Health Alliance, a membership-driven organization focused on developing an ecosystem of interoperable personal health devices. Dan Monroe is a contributor at Forbes, where he writes on healthcare, IT, and innovation. Dan Kraft is a physician, a biomedical researcher, Executive Director of Future Med, and Faculty Chair of Medicine at Singularity University. Hallie Tecco is the founder and CEO of Rock Health, the first seed fund devoted exclusively to digital health companies. Jeffrey M. is a strategic consultant and researcher with a focus on the needs of the 50-plus population. And Mike Karyakis, wherever he is, there's Mike. Mike is the president and founder of Everyday Health, which, as I mentioned, is a leading provider of digital health and wellness, and he is my boss. And lastly, Wainwright Fishburne is a founding partner of Cooley LLP's San Diego office, a prominent venture capital attorney, and chair of the firm's digital health group, and I have no connection to him. So, to select our finalists, we had a series of criteria. Innovation, does the technology break new ground? Impact, has it made a significant impact on people's lives? Is it improving their overall health and well-being? Implementation, how well has the innovator executed the technology? And individuality, what differentiates the technology and the digital health market? So, our first category, the healthy consumer, includes products or services that consumers can use on their own to improve their everyday health and wellness. The finalists are Kinsa Smart Thermometer, a low-cost smartphone-connected thermometer that enables users to track their symptoms, get professional advice, and see the health weather in their local area. Scanadu Scout, a vital signs monitor that tracks and shares information about the user's health, including heart and respiratory rate, blood pressure, emotional stress, and blood oxygenation. And Wello, a service that connects clients and fitness trainers over live interactive video using a laptop and a webcam. And the winner is, oh, not that one, Scanadu. Now, not everybody who won an award is here today. I'm assuming if Scanadu is not standing up and walking here, they are in fact not here. So we will keep one of these lovely awards, which I'll show you now. They're really great. They're heavy, they're glass, they were expensive for us to make. And I'm really glad I have one in New York City. So, we're going to move on. Congratulations, Canada. Our next category, you can applaud. Our next category is patient diagnostics and management, which includes healthcare products or services that help patients monitor chronic medical conditions at home, at work, and on the go. The finalists are a live core heart monitor, an ECG recorder that leverages the user's smartphone to record, display, store, and transfer their ECG through the Alive ECG application. Smartwatch, a wearable device designed to act as a safety net for patients prone to convulsions, seizures, and tremors by recognizing repetitive shaking motions. And Telcare blood glucose monitor, a diabetes management technology platform that captures real-time data and provides rapid personalized messaging as the user takes a blood glucose reading. And the winner is Smartwatch. How are you? You get this one. Thank you. Oops, I'm sorry, you need to come over here. That means your right foot's there. This is my right foot.
And we do it all over again?
Yes, I'm going to do it again, all right? All right? We'll get this one right. Okay, so my left hand, I don't go like this. I'm going to shake your hand. No. Okay.
Okay.
Except you should be holding this, not me.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Okay, that was great. Our next category, emerging tech. This is a category that spotlights cutting-edge technology and biotech advances that can dramatically change and improve the way consumers live. The finalists are Dexcom Platinum, a continuous glucose monitor sensor approved for up to 7 days use. It shows the body's response to food and exercise and alerts users when they're outside their target zone. This actually is very cool. Actually, they're all really cool. Navity Navisection System, which is hard to say, fast. A driver safety technology developed for programs serving medically impaired and older drivers. It provides data on driver capability in the context of an on-road evaluation. And SenseGiz Star, a wearable product that detects falls and crashes and sends automatic alerts in case of emergencies via an alarm. And the winner is Dexcom. Oh, good. That's good. You should bring your team. I want you to come over here. We'll see if we can get this right this time. Right foot, my right foot. And you take that, and we shake hands, and you look this
right
way.
this
Yeah, we
time.
did.
All right.
Great. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And it is a really cool device. The device is actually so cool, I wish I had diabetes. No, that's not true. Okay, moving on. Inclusive innovations. This category honors technology innovations serving the critical needs of the aging population and those requiring assistive technologies. It includes products that help them stay active and independent, and those that connect them to loved ones and caregivers. We have 4 finalists in this category, and they are Adhere Tech, a smart pill bottle designed to improve medication adherence. It alerts patients when it's time to take their pills and communicates vital information and usage to doctors and caregivers. Cityzen Sciences Smart Monitoring Shirt. Features fabric that integrates microsensors to monitor the wearer's heart rate, temperature, activity, and location with an eye towards connecting patients with their doctor or family. This really does seem like science fiction, half of these things. Glasses Off, an iPhone app designed to free users from dependency on reading glasses. It guides users through a 3-month program of visual stimulation, tasks to help them improve their image processing capabilities. Cardio Core tracks data on ECG, heart rate variability, and other metrics, and transmits them to a secure storage cloud to help doctors with clinical assessments that improves patient heart health. And the winner is Smart Shirt. Congratulations, congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Now what do I do with 3 people? All right, you guys stay here. Don't move. Let me do this. So you hold this, one of you, since it's yours. Congratulations. And I will shake someone's hand, anybody. Not that hand. There we go. All right. I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay. Congratulations, guys. Okay. This is exciting. So, our final category is the healthiest company. From exercise classes to collaborative workspaces, improving employee wellness leads to increased productivity, reduced absenteeism, and greater overall job satisfaction. Mike, take note. This award recognizes an outstanding company that provides innovative health and wellness solutions for employees. The winner in this category is Prime Inc., whose driver health and fitness program is the first of its kind. And I had other things to say, but come on up. Congratulations. Come on over here. Right foot on the tee. All right, so that goes there. This goes here. You over there, right. Great. Thank you. Congratulations. Oops. Nope, come back. That's our congratulations slide. Congratulations to all the winners. And thanks to all of you for joining us. While many of our winners couldn't be here today because of scheduling issues, we'll make sure that they get their awards. And we're planning to make this an annual event. So watch for announcements about next year's awards program. And with all the talent in this room and at this convention, I'm sure we will be seeing people again. In the meantime, stick around, have more drinks, and enjoy the rest of the evening. And thanks again for coming.